Hi everybody. This short video is going to show you how to log into Zearn for the first time and then also how to use Zearn for every lesson. So I'm going to start out first with today's assignments on Google Classroom. I'm going to go ahead and click the agenda just to see what today has in store. I'm going to check under math first just to see if I even have to do Zearn because every single lesson does not require you to do Zearn. But it looks like today's does, and it looks like today's lesson 21 on Zearn. And then I'm going to complete the Google Classroom assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Zearn. I'm going to log in with my student login and my password. And then when it's your first time logging into Zearn, it's going to ask you for the class code, and that's only for the very first time. Blank class. And now here I am. And I can see right here that it says lesson 21. However, you do have to complete the fluency activities beforehand before getting to the lesson. And this is really good practice for your child. It helps them with number identification, quick math facts. It's just really good practice for every first grader to be doing this. So then you're going to go ahead and click start. And it's usually like a fun little game, and the kids normally really like it. Um, and they'll be able to figure this part out. It's very easy to figure out. You count 6, and you're gonna go through this whole activity. Once you finish that fluency activity, another one might pop up, and as many as maybe 2 or 3 might pop up, and then your lesson for the day will be unlocked. Once the lesson's unlocked, then it'll say start next to it, and then that's good to go for your student to start the lesson for the day. Once the lesson is finished, there might be what's called the Tower of Power, and that's just additional fluency about the lesson topic that was taught today. So again, that is also very important, and that should be completed each day too when you have to do Zearn. And then once all of those are done, that's when the teacher gets notified that the Zearn what lesson was completed for the day. So making sure to do all of those things, which seems like a lot, but really math is a super important subject, and it's really good for your child to be completing these. Um, so once all of those activities are done, and it'll come up at the end of the lesson, and it'll say that you finished the lesson, and then you know to stop for the day because you don't want to go on to the next lesson because that'll be for the next day. I hope this video was helpful, and feel free to reach out if you have any other questions about Zearn.